Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Golden Charlene. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be following in Kathleenlights tutorial. I do not own all the products she used in her video, so I'm actually just going to be following the eye makeup because I got the Dream St palette. And also, I'm going to change a shade that she used. In her video, she did 2 looks, 1 palette using her Dream St palette, and I'm going to replicate this look, except she used the shade Elfish, but I don't want to use the shade Elfish. I actually want to use the shade Water Bearer. So let's get started. I'm actually going to zoom in a little bit.
Number 1, the first eyeshadow I'm going to go into is Shooting Star, and I'm going to start using this color as my transition shade. I'm going to start buffing this into my crease. By the way, I'm getting over my cold, but my voice is still a little bit like, you know, nasally a little bit. So just ignore that.
So we're going to use Shooting Star first. So I don't have a Super Shock shadow that looks like the shade Water Bearer. I think I'm just going to apply a regular eye primer.
Applying this on my entire lid and then blending out the corners or the edges. And then I'm going to take the shade Spark and I'm going to start applying this color into my crease. Little by little, and I'm going to start blending those 2 colors together. This look requires a lot of blending, and it is going to look pretty messy before it all comes together, but just keep pushing through.
Okay, I normally don't care about fallout. These shades have so much kickback. I only dipped into it once. Yeah, you can't see it. They have so much kickback. I did not expect that from these eyeshadows. Wow, she's right. This is looking messy. Just going to take Spark in the crease.
So I'm going to take Elfish and I'm going to apply this color directly on top of Mittens.
Alright, I'm going to take my Smashbox eyelid primer just so I have a sticky base for the blue to stick on. So she used the shade Elfish, but I'm going to use the shade Water Bearer. I'm going to apply this all over my lid. There is a lot of fallout.
Oh, I love it. This is a beautiful baby blue.
You can see they're very similar colors. Elfish is just a little bit more brown. So you don't have to put the Mittens shade. You can just go in and make it like a matte brown smoke.
Okay, she's going way too fast for me to handle. Oh my gosh, so much kickback. Can you guys see that?
It's just going to be a little bit less purpley, but it still looks really pretty. I've done that before as well, and it looks nice. So I'm going to go back into Spark, and I'm just going to keep on blending the color into the crease, applying the shade little by little, and really blending out those harsh lines. I'm going to highlight my brow bone in my inner corner.
Girl, I'm still putting Spark in my eye. These shades look so beautiful together. Wow, I like it a lot, how these colors blend into each other. I've been doing so many cut creases lately. She re-intensified Elfish on her lid, so I'm just going to re-intensify Water Bearer. Can you guys see that fallout on my face? Okay, next she took the shade Moony.
With Moony?
Yeah, Moony. Alright, and I think she applied it as her brow and highlight. Just the shade right here.
And then I'm going to go back into Elfish.
Girl, I'm still applying my highlight. This is a pretty highlight shade. Now she went back into Elfish, but I'm going to go back into Spark because I feel like this doesn't look perfectly blended after I applied Moony. Alright, I like that a little better.
I start working on my lower lash line. Super easy look. Anybody can do this. I'm going to start buffing this color on my lower lash line, like I said, really intensely. I added a lot of that Elfish color. I want my lower lash line to be very, very smoky. I went in with some black eyeliner.
Alright, so we're going to take black eyeliner and apply it to the waterline. I'm wearing contacts, so I'm not gonna put this in my tight line. Kathleen applied Elfish to the lower lash line, so I'm just gonna go back into Water Bearer, apply this to my lower lash line. Oh my goodness, what is going on? It's okay, I can just fix it with powder.
Lined with it, and I applied it to my waterline as well. And then I used...
Okay, so she also applied Spark to the waterline. I don't really like how that looks. But then again, she did use a different color.
Spark to smoke out my lower lash line even more. I wanted to go in with some falsies for this look, but first I took the Clinique High Impact Mascara and I applied that to my lashes, my top and bottom lashes. But the falsies I went in with are the Kiss falsies. They're in the style Daisy. I like these because they're nice and fluffy. Alright, so I cannot put on my falsies today. My eyes keep watering. I don't know if it's because I'm kind of getting over my cold and everything is still kind of watery. I don't know, but I cannot.
I may have missed it, but I don't know if she applied Moony to her inner corner highlight. Let's see how it looks. That's actually super pretty.
My eyelashes on and they look crazy. I'm not gonna let it stress me. We're just gonna pretend they look really fabulous. If you have issues with falsies, I think mascara works perfectly fine. Alright, so to finish up this look, I'm going in with bronzer.
Alright, so that's it for the eye makeup. I'm just gonna finish applying this mascara off camera. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I'm actually super disappointed in the shade Water Bearer. It literally got everywhere. I don't understand why it's so powdery. I never have fallout issues. I love this palette because I don't see what everyone's talking about when they say that this palette has the worst fallout issues. This palette, the colors Water Bearer and Spark, and even Shooting Star, they are so powdery. I need to play around with it more. I think it looks beautiful, even though I was struggling, but yeah, that's pretty much it for this video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed watching it, and I'll see you next time. Bye! With my dirty hands, like always.